Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So I absolutely love silver and silver mist with no graphics. It looks super neat with an all silver truck. Obviously it'll look good with anybody's truck, but that is a really cool look. This is a 7311 new redesign. We haven't redesigned our 7 wide LQ floor plans in quite some time. So this is a 2024 Summit 7311 RKS. So that is a 7 wide, 3 horse, 11 foot short wall. The trailer is 7 wide. It is 7'8" tall. It is all aluminum. It is in the silver mist, no graphics. It does have a stainless nose. It does have 2 propane tanks, a hydraulic jack, a lockable aluminum battery box. It does have a jiffy jack as well under that tire. Again, silver mist is the color. That is a new color for us as well. Of course, silver's my thing, so I like it. It's got an escape door with a flip-up step. It's got 3 drop windows with bars. Has the extrusion underneath those windows. That's the ribbed aluminum. It has aluminum wheels. Has a load light package, so it's got load lights all the way around both sides of the trailer and the rear with switches. It has 2 back doors. It's got a brush box, saddle rack, new redesigned saddle rack. I'm going to get in there and show you that a little bit better. Bridle hooks there to the left. The collapsible rear tack wall is now got the fabric on it as well, which is new. So that's the fabric here. So your whole entire rear tack has got the fabric, which is awesome. All right, so redesign. So what does that look like? It is stronger. It is a strong, solid piece. With that being said, you cannot, actually, I don't think these, yeah. So you cannot move these, sorry guys. You cannot move these saddle racks up and down, but I can tell you that your saddles are not gonna fall off and the saddle rack is not gonna fall down. We've had some issues with that in the past. So that is a redesigned saddle stand. Stepping up in the horse box, it has a lower divider, airflow dividers, padded dividers, fully lined and insulated horse box. Now it's 7'8" tall, so it's really big and open in here. Definitely helps for the horses, definitely helps for the individuals staying in the LQ portion of the trailer. All right, swinging around, empty weight of this trailer is 9207. So 9207 is an empty weight for this trailer. Again, 7 wide, 7'8" tall. Does have the lower divider. It's got the chest padding, which I really like, up against the windows. All right, coming around on this side, you can kind of see the color a little bit better. The lighting's a little bit better. So, silver mist, obviously my favorite color. You see a lot of gray around here, a lot of silver around here. Silver car, silver truck, gray building. Color of choice for me. It's pretty neutral too, so any color truck that you put with this is gonna look really nice. Flip up step at the LQ door. Stepping in, it has my favorite wood, which is cinnamon. So this is the cinnamon color cabinetry. I did the inlay, saddle inlay, or it looks like a saddle above the slide box. I've got the seal, that is the darker couch. It's a softer couch in my opinion. So I kind of like that too. That middle section does flip down and have a cup holder. You've got 2 drawers underneath. Now the redesign part, basically I'm going to tell you that we used to have a fridge standing here. I'm sorry, a cabinet here, a fridge here. It was real closed in. It's a little bit more open now. So you've got 2 double cabinets here. Let me open those up and show you. A lot of space. This trailer has a lot of cabinets. We've had a lot of call outs for cabinets. This particular 7 wide has a lot of cabinets. This has a larger smart TV. Cabinets up in the nose there. A counter, long shelf goes behind that pillow. You've got 110 outlets on both sides. You still have a little shelf here with your all your breakers. This has day-night shades, so that's back to, we haven't done that. So day-night shades, which is nice. You can lift them up and have a little bit less light come in, but yet not have it fully open. So a couple things there. This has a flip-up counter here at the rear kitchen. So spinning around, your kitchen is here. You've got 3 nice sized drawers, big fridge, sink, microwave, cabinet above, 110 outlet here on the wall. Again, day-night shades. Cabinets, those cabinets all the way across the nose, I can vouch for those. I had a 7309, and you can pack a lot of stuff in that. All right, so bathroom has a large closet behind the toilet. Walk-through door. Fantastic fan. Corner shower, and the corner showers are quite spacious. Nice size sink and vanity, and you can get your arms in this sink and vanity. So a nice size sink and vanity with a lot of space for your arms here. Pocket door for the bathroom. So again, this is the Cinnamon. It has a seal couch. We did, and I don't know the exact name, the inlay. Let me kind of zoom in. So that gives you an idea what that inlay looks like. Really pretty trailer. Love this floor. So this is a 7311. This is 7'8" tall, 7 wide. Great space in here with that slide out. You got good floor space. AC and propane furnace in this unit. So AC and propane furnace. So this would be a 26-foot box. So 26 is the box length on this trailer. Has a power awning, hydraulic jack. I'm not sure if I said that. So 7311 RKS 2024 Merhow Summit. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. My name is Ashley. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Y'all have a great day.